Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can create the chromatic diffusion in CapCut for PC. So for example, I'm just going to add two images to the clip, and you are just going to go to effect, select the body effect and select chromatic diffusion. You can see this is the final result you have on your video. Alright, you can resize or clip pixel. Alright, you can adjust for the effect, just for the blur filter, chromatic aberration, then size. Alright, you can add more transition. Alright, I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.